Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the program Quizlet. So we're going to start at our class homepage and go to the sidebar and click where it says Week 1. Then you will see under the practice, you'll see Quizlet here, and the first thing you need to do is to sign up for our Quizlet class. So click on this link here. We'll open up this Quizlet page, and you can see this is our class, ESOL 20 Spring 2020. So you want to click this blue Sign Up for Free to request access. Click on that, and then here you need to register or sign up. Birthday, you choose a username, your email address, and then you can choose a new password that you need to remember. And then down here you will click Sign Up. See here that we have two sets. One is for body parts and one is for the online class language. So this is the one I want you to do this week, but today I'm going to show you this one. So this is what it looks like. And then if you scroll down, you can see all of these words. But I want you to try to look at the flashcards. So flashcards here, I see the picture, and I think, what is that word?
Ear. This is an ear.
And then I can read the sentence. And then the important thing I want you to remember is that I want you to write the word in your notebook. Okay? So when you see it and you hear it, I want you to repeat.
Ear.
Ear.
This is an ear.
This is an ear. And then I can write in my notebook, and I want to write the English, and then you can write the translation for your language. And then you can click and you can do the next one.
Eye. This is an eye.
Then we can click back, and these are other options. One I like is spell, so I'm going to click on that one, and you type what you hear. So let's listen.
Ear. This is an ear.
And I'm just going to write, this is an ear, period. Okay? I click back, and then another one that I'd like you to do is match. Start the game, and here I match the picture with the sentence, or the definition with the sentence. So this is a stomach, I click, and this is the picture. So click and drag. On my phone I just click, click. This is an ear, I click, I drag it, and then I let go. These are teeth, click, drag, let go. This is a face, click, drag, let go. Okay? And the last one that I want to show you is called gravity. This one is only on the computer. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, you're doing it on a phone, you can't. This game is not on the phone. But on the computer, you can play this game. Let's see. So we're going to get started. Okay. So now you're going to see a picture. Should be a picture. So what are these? These are knees, period. I'm going to click enter, and then a new word will come. Okay. All right. Those are the main things I want to show you about Quizlet.